Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is an epic Lego airplane. As you can see, it's really small, like really small. But anyways, it used, I think, 62 pieces, and it has, this is the look around it, this is the front, as you can probably tell. Here's a better look at it. Up closer. And then this is the side of it. And then here's the other side. The other side's just a teensy bit different. Like right there. Right there it has a little yellow piece on there. I'll turn it back around so you guys can see what I'm talking about right there. There. And then here's the back. Better close look at it. Then here's the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Comment if you want. Comment, like, and subscribe. And comment if you want me to play, like, any video game that you know of. So yeah, and comment what you want to see next of Legos or anything, really. So yeah, bye.